Hello! Today we are going to be working on something special and I deeply believe first on my channel, because we've got this weed eater in form of two-stroke small engine and we need to make it operational again. I managed to purchase it on a fly market very cheaply as not working unit. And there are two major problems. The first that was just disclosed by the seller. There is no choke lever. It is totally missing. And the second problem is here. Our fuel line from aging, it is totally disintegrating and it is not sucking the fuel in. So we've got a problem that needs to be resolved. So we are going to be working on the filter box assembly. So let me open it so we can nicely take a look what we've got inside. So this is our air box. And here we've got our filter. And here is our choke. And this part is missing here. Let me check the replacement. This is the replacement that I purchased. And I hope this is going to be a universal mount with those holes. And if everything will be good, we will swap it. And here is going to be our choke, as you can see. So this is the first thing. The second thing, the fuel line, and I purchase a replacement. This is how it's presenting. Yeah, we will put a brand new. And if we take a look here, we've got a pump that is being used to prime our carburetor. And it looks good, but I'm afraid that it might fail. And it is extremely inexpensive, so I purchased the primer bulb with the metal plate. I hope we are going to be getting the correct size. So those are the three things that we need to replace, and most likely this device is going to be operational again. So let's begin our operation with removing the air box, and looks like those two screws are connecting it to the carburetor. Yeah, this is a long screw. Okay, so it's removing the carburetor, that's why it is so long. Okay, this is how it's presenting. Perfect, because we are going to be getting a good access to replace our primer pump. Yeah, this is very nicely. It is looking okay, but it is so cheap and the age is going to be same as the hoses. So since they are falling apart, that makes a good sense. Okay, looks like here we've got a seal. So we managed to create something that I called a shit show, because we don't want to mess that up. So here it is. Let me check the replacement. Looks like we've got 1-to-1 copy. I will swap the whole assembly. Let's take a look what we've got here. So here is our carb. Actually, it looks very clean. This is crazy. And here we've got a gasket. So it is like a membrane based. Okay, so this go like this. And here goes our beauty. Okay, in my personal opinion, we've got absolutely perfect, beautiful job. So this will go like that. Now we need to take care of our fuel line. So we need to remove that. Spoon may looks like something good to slide it here and pry. And as you can see, we can nicely remove it. This is how our fuel system is presenting. As you can see on the bottom, we've got a fuel filter. The fuel goes here to the carb. You are priming it. When this is going to be full, the fuel is going to be going back into the tank. So it is creating a closed loop. In case you are trying to prime it and it's not working, then most likely you have to switch those hoses and it's going to be good. We are going to be cutting our hose to the length. So this is going to be perfect. Here is our fuel inlet. You go here. Just like that, perfectly to the end. This is our return. We will also cut it to the length. Here there will be no pressure. This is just a return. So how it's presenting? In my personal opinion, that looks good. And we will insert it. Just like that. And I think we will use the spoon again, because it's got like a curved. So it will not damage it. And as you can see, it perfectly jump in and nicely secure. Here we've got our seal and we will put it back. But let's check our air box. Did we get a proper size? Because they say it is a universal. Looks like they are correct. So we are gold. Later I will add Loctite here, but first I want to check if it's going to be running. So you go like this. Here our screw. through this, that, into that. Looks like this is going to be problem. We have to undo it. Okay. Very good. The second screw. Okay, looks good. Okay. Now we need to make sure that this element works. And as you can see, we can nicely work with our choke. Work absolutely perfect. Here we will add a little bit of oil. Let's check, will it close down properly? In my personal opinion, we've got an absolutely beautiful job. New fuel line, new pump. Let's check if the pump is working. So we will prime it. And as you can see, we've got a beautiful fuel returning back. Can you see this? Works great. We've got it perfectly prime and full of fuel. So I think we need to start it. So I will activate the ignition. We will go with the choke and I will pull it once. Okay, it makes sound. Now I will disengage the choke and it should run. And it worked. It worked absolutely perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. We've got 100% absolutely beautiful success. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find that interesting. See you next time and bye bye.